Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the phone and finger so scans are accurate. Clean and dry skin improves sensor contact. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode, then authenticate with your passcode. Tap Add a fingerprint and lightly place the center of your finger on the sensor. Lift and rest repeatedly as instructed. You'll feel haptic feedback, respond to it, and slowly adjust angle to capture edges for a complete print. Now you focus on getting a complete, reliable scan by varying angle and pressure. This reduces false rejections later. You should slowly roll the finger across the sensor to capture center and edges, and follow each on-screen prompt without rushing. Make sure to lift and reapply slightly different parts of the pad so the system stores multiple perspectives. Once the progress reaches full, name the fingerprint and enable features. Apple Pay, iPhone Unlock, or App Store, so you understand where it will be used. Finish by testing unlock, purchases, and apps that use the fingerprint to confirm reliability. If you notice misses, re-enroll the same finger using slightly different positions. Make sure the sensor and your finger stay clean and dry. Moisture, oils, and lotions reduce accuracy, so wipe both with a soft cloth before attempting. If issues continue, delete the stored fingerprint, restart the iPhone, then re-add the fingerprint slowly. This reset often clears transient software or calibration hiccup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.